Keeping your dog's nails trimmed is important for their health. Just like humans, dogs need regular grooming to stay comfortable and healthy, and happiness. Long nails can make it uncomfortable for your dog to walk. Imagine trying to walk with pebbles in your shoes. That's how it feels for dogs with long nails. They might even start to curl and grow into their paw pads. This can be painful and lead to infections. Overgrown nails can also affect your dog's posture and gait, leading to joint issues over time. Regular nail trims prevent these problems and keep your dog's paws healthy. It's a simple task that can make a big difference in your dog's overall well-being. Trimming your dog's nails also helps to avoid painful scratches. Long nails can easily scratch you or your furniture, causing damage and discomfort. Long nails are more likely to snag on carpets or furniture. This can lead to sudden jerks and potential injuries for your dog. This can cause your dog's nail to tear or break, which can be quite painful. A torn nail can bleed and may require a visit to the vet for proper treatment. Remember, regular nail trims are an important part of responsible dog ownership. Keeping your dog's nails at a healthy length ensures they can walk, run, and play without discomfort. It's a small effort that goes a long way in keeping your furry friend happy and healthy. Before you begin trimming your dog's nails, it's crucial to have the right tools. Proper preparation can make the process smoother and less stressful for both you and your furry friend. The most common types of nail clippers are guillotine clippers and scissor clippers. Each type has its own advantages and is suited for different nail types and sizes. Guillotine clippers have a small hole where you insert the nail. They are particularly effective for smaller dogs with thinner nails. You squeeze the handles to cut the nail. This type of clipper provides a clean cut, reducing the risk of splitting the nail. Scissor clippers look like small scissors and are suitable for larger dogs with thicker nails. They offer more leverage, making it easier to cut through tough nails. Always use sharp clippers designed for dogs. Sharp clippers ensure a clean cut and minimize discomfort for your pet. Dull clippers can crush the nail, causing discomfort to your dog. This can make future nail trimming sessions more challenging as your dog may become fearful. Another essential item is styptic powder or pencil. This is a must-have in case you accidentally cut the quick of the nail, which can cause bleeding. These help to stop bleeding if you accidentally cut the quick of the nail. Having this on hand can quickly address any mishaps, ensuring your dog remains comfortable and calm. Find a comfortable spot for you and your dog. This could be on the couch, on the floor, or anywhere your dog feels at ease. The key is to ensure both of you are relaxed and comfortable. You can have them lie down or sit. Some dogs might prefer one position over the other, so it's important to observe what makes your dog most comfortable. Some dogs prefer to stand. If your dog is more comfortable standing, make sure they are stable and calm before proceeding. Hold your dog's paw firmly but gently. This helps to keep them steady and reassures them that they are safe. Identify the pink part of the nail containing blood vessels and nerves. It's crucial to avoid cutting into the quick as it can cause pain and bleeding. Cut the nail at a 45-degree angle just below the quick. This angle helps to prevent splitting and ensures a smooth trim. If you're unsure, it's better to cut less rather than more. You can always trim a bit more later, but you can't undo a cut that's too deep. Reward your dog with praise and a treat after each nail trim. Positive reinforcement helps to make the experience pleasant for your dog. This helps create a positive association with nail trimming. Over time, your dog will become more comfortable and cooperative during nail trims. If you do accidentally cut the quick, your dog may yelp and the nail will bleed. Don't panic. Apply styptic powder or a styptic pencil directly to the bleeding nail. Apply gentle pressure for a few seconds. The bleeding should stop quickly. If it doesn't, consult your veterinarian. Remember, practice makes perfect. With patience and consistency, you can make nail trimming a stress-free experience for both you and your furry friend.